In this video, I'm going to show you how to add books to your StoryGraph account. Start by opening the StoryGraph app on your phone. When you're on the main screen, you'll see any existing books already added to your shelves. If your list is empty, don't worry, you can easily start adding books. At the top of the screen, you'll find a search bar labeled Search All Books. Tap on it and enter the name of the book or the author you're looking for. A list of matching results will appear. Choose your desired book from the list. Once you've selected a book, you'll see a few status options. If you haven't started reading the book yet, simply tap on the To Read option. You can also tap the drop-down arrow next to it to select other statuses, such as Currently Reading, Did Not Finish, or Finished. After choosing a status, go back to your homepage and refresh. You'll see that the book has now been added to your account. Another way to add books is by scanning the QR code of a physical book you own. Inside the search bar, you'll notice a QR code icon. Tap on it to activate your camera. Hold your camera in front of the book's QR code and tap Capture. The app will automatically recognize the book and bring it up for you to add. You can then select your preferred reading status, just like before. Once you go back to your homepage, you'll find that the new book has been successfully added to your list. And that's how you can add books to StoryGraph.